BMW has dropped a bombshell in the naked bike segment, the all-new R1300R. And let me tell you, while it looks like a street fighter, it feels like a tourer. Confused? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. BMW R1300R, the street tourer. You didn't know you needed. So what exactly is the R1300R? It's BMW's latest naked bike built on their brand new 1300cc boxer platform. Yup, the same one from the R1300 GS and GS Adventure. But while those are full-on ADVs, this is a different animal. First off, it looks completely different from the R1250R it replaces. You've got a beefier front end, layered tank extensions, a sculpted tank, and that aggressive LED headlight setup. It screams street presence. Despite looking chunkier, the curb weight is exactly the same, 239 kilograms. Why? New lighter alloys and an all-new frame. Smart weight management right there. Underneath that bold design is a 1300cc boxer engine, punching out 145 PS and 149 Newton meters of torque. That's 9 PS and 7 Newton meters more than the R1250R. This thing's got serious grunt. Plus, the gearbox has been repositioned under the engine instead of behind it, trimming the bike's overall length and improving balance. And here's the cool part. BMW's automated shift assistant, ASA, is available too, so you can ride clutch-free if you want. Just twist and go. Perfect for both touring and sporty rides. Now let's talk ergonomics. BMW's tweaked the rider triangle, lower bars pushed forward, more rear-set foot pegs, and a lower seat height. End result? A sportier posture, but not aggressive. With a seat height of just 784 millimeters, this bike is super approachable even for shorter riders. The frame's a combo of steel sheet metal up front and a cast aluminum rear. Why? Less weight, better packaging, and most of that weight is concentrated near the center of gravity, giving it nimble handling. Suspension-wise, 47mm inverted forks up front, BMW's new Evo Paralever at the rear. Dynamic ESA is standard, and there's a new dynamic suspension adjustment DSA system that even adjusts spring rate, first in a production bike. Brakes? BMW isn't cutting corners here. You get dual radial calipers up front, single rear, and standard integral ABS Pro. So grab that front lever and it balances both ends automatically. Tech nerds, you'll love this. Standard ride modes include Rain, Road, and Eco. Want more? The Ride Modes Pro Pack adds Dynamic and Dynamic Pro. Also standard, engine drag torque control, dynamic traction control cornering ABS optional, radar-based active cruise control front collision warning, fine-tunable DTC and ASA. But here's the twist. The S1000R, BMW's actual performance naked, is cheaper, makes 20 PS more, and weighs a massive 40 kilograms less. So why would you choose the R1300R then? Because this isn't trying to be a track weapon. It's a torque-rich, comfort-focused, tech-laden, street touring beast for people who love the GS engine feel without the GS bulk. In the US, it's priced around 14.3 lakh rupees, and we expect it to launch in India later this year, sitting just below the 21.2 lakh rupees R1300 GS. So what do you think? Is the R1300R a tourer in a Street Fighter's body? Or is it the ultimate boxer-powered daily machine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more bike content every week.